time, Manila seems to be getting some momentum.
Medyo na-excite sila sa ganda ng takbo ng opensa at parang nakakalimutan nila tuloy dumipensa kaya pinaalala sa kanila ni Coach Romy Lopez.
Na-assist din yata ni Compton. Yes, Compton only hit 3 of 11. Okay, yung game 1, sila Romy lang naging focus. Baka naman ngayon, pag pinagpunan ng pansin.
Lack of energy rin. At kaya sinubukan silang gisingin ng coaching staff nila. Nagkaroon sila ng dalawang closed door sessions at nasabong sila ng mabuti para mapahiwatig ang mensahe na hindi maaaring maulit ang kanilang performance in their last week.
Lexon Morano is there. Compton only 6 points so for Pampanga. I think they have to do continue what they're doing.
Will there be a quick shot from Compton? Yes, indeed. I'll go. That's a huge three. Could start the ball rolling for the Metro Stars.
At yan ang malaking takot dapat ng Pampanga.
Here's Dimabe. Compton lets it fly. Yes, it's a three.
And now Manila leads by 1. Pampanga is helpless because